In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Canon Pixma TR8500 Series printer. Now the first thing is to switch on the printer, lift the door from the one side, wait for the ink cartridges to come into the middle. There is a lock here, so you simply have to press it and take the ink cartridge out. So do it for all 5 ink cartridges one by one. So it's very easy, you just have to press and take it out. Now take the new ink cartridge and make sure you match the number and the color. So the chip will face downwards and the lock will come to the front. Slide it under this section and press it down. You will hear a lock sound. That means it is installed properly. So it's simple. Slide it in, press it down, and then it's ready. So this is the last ink cartridge. So this printer uses 5 ink cartridges. Now press the door down. Press the door down and it will lock. Wait on the screen for the final confirmation and then we are ready to use this printer. Thanks for watching.